Hey guys, we're doing some work around the farm today. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you guys around. So these are our donkeys. The tall one right there is Seabiscuit. Short one is Mystery. We got 3 cows. The spotted one is Lucy. Then we have Blackie and Red. Black Angus, Red Angus, and a Hereford mix. Alright guys, so in our little coop here we have 23 chickens. We started with 25 and one died because of cold weather and the other died because our dog got a hold of one. She got out of the little makeshift coop that we had for her. We have left 9 blue Jersey Giants. We have 9 black Jersey Giants, and we have 5 Midnight Majesties. These are our pigs we have. We have 3 red American hogs, so they're actually hogs. We got them off of Craigslist, and they have been growing and getting fat exponentially. My husband constantly working on a tractor. So now I'm down in the barn. This is where we normally feed our donkeys and cows. And there they are.